So, good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra. I was just discussing about shifting of frequencies from lower to the higher side, in which I discussed that related to the peak performance, there are three concerned issues. The first is frequency switching, another is exam anxiety, and the last is optimal frequency. So, the first issue is frequency switching. So, there is a frequency switching from delta to the gamma. Delta corresponds to the lowest frequency while gamma corresponds to the highest frequency. Let's elaborate it with the help of an example. Suppose you are solving a question and during that the frequencies are low, let at level 1, and then there is another level 2 which is higher frequency than that of the first level. So the energies within you, the positive energy, will try to make you move frequencies from level 1 to level 2, while the negative energy will try to oppose you. So your consciousness is trapped between two opposite forces. One is trying to make things move to the next level, and another is trying to make things move to the lower level. So it leads to exam anxiety. And the solution of this is observation mode activation, which is also called as the Sakshi Bhav, which is needed for optimal performance and which is the central concept behind optimal frequencies. So as I discussed earlier that all the things that I am discussing is related to experimental works of Yerkes and Dodson. Based on experiments with thousands of observers, thousands of subjects, he came to deduce this law, and it can be well established. It is in fact well established and can be seen in the standard references of psychology, the Yerkes and Dodson's law. So here the entire turning point behind peak performance is related to maintaining the frequencies, and that too includes three aspects of concern. The first is frequency switching, another is exam anxiety, and another is optimal frequency. So if you are able to manage the frequencies of your mind brain system, only then you can undergo peak performance or the optimal performance. So the entire turning point behind peak performance is maintaining the frequencies of vibrations of your mind brain system. And the moment your mind brain system resonates at your optimal frequency, you will achieve optimal result. Doesn't matter what are the external situations. So if you want to achieve peak performance, then analyze the psychological patterns inside you when you start solving questions, when you start solving your problems. There will be an emotional trauma within you, there will be distractions, there will be anxiety, there will be depression, there will be negative feelings, there will be the impacts of positive and negative energies. But just try to observe everything with a silent mind, and with due time, if you are able to maintain yourself at your optimal frequency, then you will achieve optimal result. So that's all regarding the rank improvement worksheets. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.